Another resource that you might find helpful is the Apple Education website. To get there, you'll navigate to a web browser and open education.apple.com. Once you're there, you'll find the Learning Center tab at the top and click on it. From the Learning Center page, you'll find a tile called Your Apple Teacher Journey. Click on that tile, and as you scroll down just a bit, you'll find some information on that Apple Teacher Journey, which is a free professional learning program designed to support educators using Apple devices. As you scroll down more, you'll find Develop Your Foundational Skills and a link to the iPad and Mac Foundations. Click on that and scroll down again. As you scroll, you'll find the options between the Mac Foundations and iPad Foundations. Let's say we start with iPad. As we scroll, we can see the skills we'll learn. The plus buttons on the side tell us that there are many topics within this overarching concept, and we can click any of these to start. Let's say we start with multitasking. Click on a topic and scroll down to try it. You'll find step-by-step instructions for each topic, and you'll see that the other topics are now in this top menu bar. You can even press the play button to show animations of those instructions, or simply read them along the bottom. You may also notice that there's more information. We can see these gray dots at the bottom for more pages, and also this arrow where we can switch to the next page. Once we get through all of the pages, we can choose another topic from that top menu bar. And then you'll also see that at the end of all of these topics, we can earn our badge for the iPad Foundations. As we scroll down on the badge page, we'll find the quiz that you can take. And then going back once you have that badge to also finish your Mac Foundations. Now we do recommend that you go through these badges and these learnings while listening on one device and trying them out on another. It will ask you to sign in using your Apple ID, which is your e-username and login.